Hey guys, another day, another unboxing. Today we're taking a look at the OPPO F7. It's another notch warrior, so let's see what this phone has to offer. So typical OPPO box is a big one. We got all the main specifications on the back. It's having one of the most highest resolution front camera on any new 2018 phone, coming at 25 megapixel, 64GB of internal memory, 4GB of RAM, 6.23 inch of full HD plus display. Of course with the notch, and this one is like the closest to the OnePlus 6 because, you know, OPPO and OnePlus, they kind of relate. And the design is glossy and unique, so we're gonna see about that. So let's quickly slide this one out. Lifting the box up. Okay, we got the phone up front, so as you can see, wrapped in this plastic. Let's see the accessories first. So we got SIM ejecting tool along with some paperwork and a silicone case. Then there's usual stuff such as the charger. We got the Apple style headphones and a USB cable, which is not Type-C. What the hell, OPPO? It's 2018. You gotta move on to Type-C. It's about damn time. Anyways, let's move this stuff on the side. Let's check out the star of the show, and here we have the beautiful glossy OPPO F7. I gotta say, this color looks pretty good. It's the moonlight silver color, and they also have it in red and black. You can see them shiny sides. We have the speaker, the headphone jack down below, along with the charging port. There's a volume rocker on the left, power key on the right, and a big fingerprint scanner right above the OPPO logo, so should be able to reach it without any problems. Just boot this phone up real quick. OPPO logo, and it comes with a MediaTek processor, a P61. It's octa-core clocked at 2 GHz, so we'll love to see its performance against the best of the best. Let me know what speed test you guys want to see. And welcome the notch. So let's get through the setup real quick. Alright guys, we are done with the setup and we're greeted by this beautiful, colorful operating system that looks a lot like iOS. So if you like iPhone software, if you like simplicity, then this might be your thing. Now it is based on Android 8.1 Oreo. As you can see, it comes with the latest version of the Android. But still, because of this skin, it doesn't really resemble an Android device. So personally, if I were to use this phone, I would use a launcher, something like a Nova launcher, to change things up. Just like we have seen in the past phone, this phone is also inspired truly by Apple, everywhere from design to the software. Got the notch here as well as a chin. So this is the latest trend. Some people like it, but most hate it. Again, it comes down to a personal preference. I don't hate the notch. I just don't like the combination of notch with the freaking chin. So now this is the IPS LCD display coming with a 1080p HD resolution. So it's not going to be at the level of Super AMOLED or AMOLED display, but still it looks pretty decent. Now on the home screen, if you swipe to the right, you will get a smart assistant tab that will tell you all your weather information. It's kind of like a Bixby thing, and you can't actually turn it off, so that's that. Here is the quick benchmark result of the Helio P60 processor that is inside this phone, and you can see decent result. Again, I am not much of a benchmark guy. I believe in real life performance, and the animation looks pretty fast, so I hope this should perform really good in performance wise, speed test wise. So I would love to see that in a head-to-head battle. Now let's take a look at the most highlighted feature of this phone, which is its front camera. So first up, if you launch the camera app, you're gonna see that it is exactly like iOS, or at least inspired from iOS. We got very simple look, swiping left and right for changing the modes. It comes with a single 16 megapixel camera with f1.8 aperture. I only tested it out in indoor low light, and I gotta say it actually does a pretty good job with the clarity and everything, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna take some great photos in outdoor environment as well. Now despite having a decent res camera and a pretty capable processor, it can only shoot videos up to 1080p, so no 4K. As far as the front camera goes, it takes some really good selfies and much better compared to the previous model that I've tried. There's some good details, but the portrait mode definitely needs some improvement. Doesn't work that great at the edges. Now, as far as the battery life goes, it comes with a 3400 mAh battery with no fast charging, so it is pretty disappointing that you're paying like $400 for this phone. I'm not sure how cheap it's gonna be in other countries, but they launched it here for $400 price, and I think fast charging is one of the core basic things every phone should have. One thing I really like about these Chinese phones is that the fingerprint scanner is insanely fast. Like, with the fastest I've ever used. You just put your fingers, it instantly unlocks, no animation whatsoever. And it also comes with a face unlock, so that's also pretty fast. Let me just quickly demonstrate here. Okay, as you can see, it looks pretty damn fast. Doesn't even show you the lock screen. So yeah, guys, that was the unboxing and first look at the OPPO F7, the new Notch Boy from OPPO. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section and what videos you guys want to see. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.